Welcome to our second part of our cloud tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to add a new device. When you want to add a new device, go to the main menu on the left hand side, click on Devices and Add New Device. So now you see here our main window for the configurator. The first thing you have to do is add your serial number. Serial number is on the back side of your device. So let's enter the serial number. Then add a device name. And if you want to add a description, add one. So, already here, if you want to, and if it's necessary for you, you can add multiple devices at the same time. So if you just click add another one, the same window pops up just below, which is focusing on just one device. When you're done here, just click on next. Now we're in our configuration. You can use custom configurations or use existing device profiles. We're going to focus on our custom configuration. Below you can see the selected device with your serial number, device name and your description. If you're already here, just click on next. Here you can set all necessary parameters who are really relevant for you. So let's start at the start delay. If you need a start delay or initial alarm delay, you can put in the minutes or the time you want. If you don't know what to fill in, just click on the question mark and you will get a decent description to it. So I'm going to set no start delay and no initial alarm delay. I want to set my log interval to 15 minutes. It's easy to drag and drop, just pull or push it. And you can see all your parameters below are going to adjust automatically. I want to change the transmission interval also. I want to have it at 480 minutes. And the positioning interval should be as low as possible, means 120 minutes. So now your calculated maximum. Now here we can set all our alarms. So let's start with our temperature alarms. Add a lower limit of 25 degrees. Add another limit, upper limit of 35 degrees. If you want to set an alarm delay, you can do it here by clicking on it and select the minutes or hours you want, and you also can set it to cumulative alarms. Then just click save. Now we have our temperature alarms. You can set up to 6 temperature alarms. You can also see it when you click on the question mark. 3 lower and 3 upper limits. Then we're gonna add our humidity alarms, starting with the lower limit of 45%, save. Add an upper limit of 80%. Clicking on a question mark, you also can set up to 6 alarms, 3 lower and 3 upper. And for last, we're gonna set our ambient light alarms. Here you can set 1 lower and 2 upper alarm limits. So just set them. 1 lower alarm with 150 lux and add an upper limit of 500 lux. So we're done here. If you need to activate our impact detection, you can just click it and activate a checkbox and then click next. Now we can set our responsible users. You can deactivate or activate your users just by clicking on the plus. On the left hand side you see your available users. On the right hand side you see the responsible users for this device. If it's necessary to add a temporary user, you can just click on add not registered user, put in his name, his email address, his mobile number. You can decide if he needs a notification via email and notification via SMS. If you put all in the information it needs, you can click save or cancel. Just gonna click cancel for it. Now we are done here. Just click on next. Here we can select our custom fields. Depends on what you need. You can select notes, reference, tracking ID, whatever you like to. So I'm just gonna click on notes. If you need different custom fields, you can set them and add them in our main menu under custom fields. We will show you that later on. So our custom field is selected. Now we click on finish. Now as you see, your device has been added successfully. What you can do now is follow the instructions, start your device, or you can check your settings below if everything is correct, and then you can decide if you want to add a new device, save configuration as a profile, or go to device overview. So you're just gonna click here. Now we see our new configured device. Means there are no alarms and your status is not started. So that's it for today. Thanks for your attention and see you next time.